So words genuinely travel far and sometimes wider than we expect. So because you are a wordsmith and you write, you rap, you're also a great storyteller. That's one thing I noticed in almost a decade of knowing you. You never miss that beat in storytelling. How do you do that?
So it's the spirit that enables and Pranavi. So it is always you can create only in the unknown. What you can create in known, everybody already. So if you want to create something, it is the unknown you need to tap into. So sometimes all you need is you to save your family.
Very beautiful because inventing themselves, reinventing if required.
Yeah.
But that is only possible when you hear the right voice. In the world full of noises, trust in the right
Yes.
source and focus on the right voice.
Yeah.